Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you are failing to install the update for your Garmin Edge 540. So normally we would just have to connect our device to the smartphone over the air, or basically over the Wi-Fi, and then go to the control center, navigate to settings. In settings, we would have to scroll down to system, open the system menu. Then in system we would have to go to about section and check for available updates. But in case you cannot find a Wi-Fi network, in case you are failing to find an update for your device this way, we have an alternative, and the alternative requires a PC and a USB-C cable. Well, at least on one side. The other side can be USB-A, but we're gonna need this USB-C to connect our Garmin to our computer. So basically what we have to do is insert one side of the cable into our Garmin device right here, where we have the USB-C port, and the other side goes into our computer. Make sure that this cable also provides the possibility of data transfer. Then on your computer, you're gonna have to install the specific application that is called Garmin Express, and it can be downloaded from the official Garmin.com website, as you can see right here. Once you reach Garmin Express download page, you have to click download for Windows right here. Wait until this file is downloaded, and then simply run it on your PC. Hit the checkbox right here, click install. Then wait until this software is installed on your computer. Once it is, we can launch it. And after that, we're gonna have to add our Garmin device here by clicking add a device. Okay. Once the computer detects our Edge 540, we have to click add device. Then we're gonna have to either create an account or sign into our existing account. So let's select to sign in, enter the email address at the top and the password at the bottom. Press enter, and then we're gonna have to enter the code from our email to confirm our identity. Then we have to click next, and after that we're gonna have to click yes. Okay, now let's select the appropriate language. Next. Then we're gonna have to select the Wi-Fi network. Click next and wait until the setup of your Edge device is finished. I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna put cameras this way. So on the following page, we're gonna have to click Synchronize, or this icon. So you most probably will not see any available updates right away. Therefore, you're gonna have to click the Synchronize icon and then click Install once you have found any updates for your device. Okay. Then you're gonna have to click Continue. And after that, you're gonna have to patiently wait for the updates to be installed on your device. So let's do so. Okay, and so as you can see, the updates are right now complete, and we can also additionally install the map updates, but it will take us another 2 hours and 41 minutes. So I think I'm gonna do it later, but you can of course proceed by simply clicking install right here. And right now, basically, to apply all the updates that we installed, we simply have to press play and let our device boot. We can already unplug the USB-C cable, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.